what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create an NS&I account. So here's how you can easily open an NS&I account. So in your Google web page, just search for Open NS&I account, then scroll down. You can see suggestions here. Just click on how do I open an NS&I account, and a link will pop up here. Just click on this link. So as you can see, it says here that you're going to need to complete a registration form and send it to them first. So you're going to see a download registration form link here. Just click on this. So a PDF file of the registration form will pop up on your screen, and all you have to do is fill out all the necessary information on this page, then submit it physically to NS&I. Apparently, that's the only way you can register or open an account on NS&I. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!